Oh
video.
my God, you.
Here's
Someday
Henry.
you'll be glad you have this.
Here's Henry's first bite of rice cereal. All the grandmas
Oh my goodness.
and grandpa.
Yeah.
I think he likes it.
He likes.
You can't see a thing.
His jaws are going.
Do you like it?
He's taking it in.
Yeah, he's thinking about it. Oh.
Get a
The
picture
tongue
of
is
his
out.
face with his
I'm
stuff.
taking a video.
Oh,
I haven't.
Oh, the video.
It's even better.
It's all drooling down.
Yeah. I think it's. He wants to eat it from the bowl.
I know.
You can hold the bowl away from under his chin.
Okay. And then it'll really spill out.
Well,
'cause-
try
grab
maybe
it,
only
please.
a little on the
A little.
spoon. There you go.
That's good. Wow, good video. I think he's taking it.
Of course he's taking it. He's a champ.
He likes to eat.
Here, use the spoon to get his chin dribbles.
Just look
Spoon.
how he chews.
I want the
He's
dish
chewing
to get
already,
it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he likes it.
He does like it.
He wants to just what's it out of the bowl, go straight to the source.
Slop it right up.
Trying to
in there.
what's it? You trying to what's
Don't
it?
let him drown.
Yay, Henry!
Good job. Oh, look, he's reaching once more.
More. More.
He definitely likes that. Definitely likes that.
Well
Funnel
done.
it in.